How money actually works, it's not what you think. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money. But very few actually understand how it works. Money is not just paper. It's not just numbers in a bank. It's a system, a belief, and a tool of power. If you understand this system, you'll never look at money the same way again. Money is not valuable because it's paper. It's valuable because we all agree it has value. Thousands of years ago, people used barter, trading goods directly. But barter had a problem. What if you had rice, but the other person didn't want rice? So humans invented money. Money became a medium of exchange, a store of value, a unit of measurement. But today, money isn't even physical anymore. Most of it is just numbers on a screen. Here's the part most people don't know. Banks don't just store money. They create it. When you deposit 1,000 rupees in a bank, the bank doesn't lock it away. It keeps a small percentage and loans the rest to someone else. That loan becomes new money in the system. And when that money gets deposited again, more loans are created. This is called fractional reserve banking. This is how money multiplies. That's why the total money in the economy is much larger than the physical cash printed. Now here's the consequence. If more money is created, but goods don't increase at the same rate, prices rise. That's inflation. Your money loses purchasing power. This is why 100 rupees today doesn't buy what it did 10 years ago. Money is constantly being expanded. So how does money actually work? It works because we trust it. Governments regulate it. Banks multiply it. And people believe in it. Money is not wealth. Assets are wealth. Skills are wealth. Knowledge is wealth. Money is simply the system we use to measure and exchange value. And once you understand that, you stop chasing money and start understanding value.